students, how are you and what's going on? I hope that you are enjoying at your home and doing your creative works at your home. On the behalf of Paramount Public School, today I am going to teach you another formal letter to bank manager and or application of marriage leave. Are you ready to learn? Let's start with our topic, letter to bank manager. Letter to the bank manager. Nowadays, everyone has a bank account and there are various operations associated with it, like issuing or reissuing an ATM card, issuing of bank statement, issuing a checkbook, etc. At one point of time or another, you may need to write an application addressing the bank manager for any of the above operations. So we are going to learn about application letter to bank to issue an ATM card. Now ATM card is the most basic requirement of today's world to handle our day-to-day transactions without walking miles to our concerned bank. It is so easy to get a new ATM card these days when we open an account with any bank. However, it is required to write an application letter if we have an open bank account but don't have an ATM card to withdraw the money. So write a letter to bank manager for ATM card. To the bank manager, name of the bank, Indian Bank we have taken, Delhi, Sir, subject, request letter to issue a new ATM card. I had opened an account in your reputed bank a few months back, but somehow I didn't apply for the ATM card at that time. I have been doing the withdrawal process and other transaction processes through the bank only. Henceforth, I want to use ATM card to debit money as the same may save my time. So kindly grant me a new ATM card as soon as possible. I would be very thankful to you for this kind act. Thanking you. Your account details you have to mention here. Name of the account holder I have taken ABC. Account number 098159 and some other digits. Then complimentary clothes, yours faithfully, name ABC. And date and place. Student, look here, we haven't mentioned date in that format, but you could also add date after the place, name of city. Now let's learn about another sample letter. Write a letter to the bank manager for issuing a bank statement. These all letters are same for reissue of the ATM card, give the reason and other things. To the bank manager, Regional Rural Bank, Udaipur, date May 18, 2020. Server, ma'am. Subject, request letter for issuing bank statement. Last month, I had undergone many bank transactions and these transactions were in relation to a project of my company. So as now, I have to prepare the whole project report. All the payment details and receipts are required. It would be very helpful if you could provide the bank statement of my account for the last 3 months. I would be obliged if the statement is sent to me within the next week. Thanking you. Yours sincerely. Name of the person PQR we have assumed. Contact number, account number and signature PQR. Now leave application for marriage, our second formal letter. Leave application for marriage. A leave application for marriage is a formal document written by a person who needs to take some days off for getting married or attending any marriage in the family or the wedding of a friend. Sometimes a student needs to give a leave application for marriage in school when he or she has to accompany the family to the wedding of any relative or family friend. Generally, when a child is studying in a school, the parents write a leave letter for marriage to principal seeking leave from the school on behalf of the student. So, samples for leave application for marriage. The parents of a student write a leave application addressed to the principal in case their ward has to take a leave for attending a pre-wedding. Look, firstly, the sender address will come Rajiv Sharma, A40, Rohini, New Delhi. Date May 18, 2020. The principal XYZ Public School, Rohini, New Delhi. Subject leave application to attend a marriage function. Sir or ma'am, kindly grant leave to my ward, Akash Sharma, a student of class 8C of your school. He has to accompany the family to attend my cousin's marriage on 25th May. As we need to travel out of town to attend several functions, please grant him leave from 22nd May to 28th May 2020. Thank you for your consideration. Yours sincerely, Rajiv Sharma, father of Akash Sharma, class 8C, XYZ Public School, Rohini, New Delhi. Leave application for brother's marriage. An employed person has to take leave for attending a marriage function. Rajesh Singh, 123 Sarita Vihar, Delhi, May 18, 2020. To the manager, ABC Corporation Limited, A1, Rohini, Delhi. Subject, leave request to attend brother's marriage. Sir, herein I request you to grant me leave on the occasion of my brother's marriage function on May 26, 2020. Kindly grant me leave from May 23 to May 29, 2020. Thank you for your cooperation. Yours respectfully, Rajesh Singh. I hope students you got the format of these two formal letters, letter to bank manager and leave application for marriage. Thanks for watching.